Jersey number 20, Castro. Jersey number 24. Babao pass to Paragas. Rumbling violation. Cha-cha-cha Paragas. Castro. Pass to jersey number 11. Number 11. Pakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 2. 22 rather. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. Pass to Castro. Castro naman ang may hawak ng bola. Castro, back to jersey number 14 for 3. Negative rebound na naman kay Bautista. Bautista naglaban ulit. Bautista. Hinahanap ang kasama. Bautista to Paragas. Paragas for 2. Negative rebound by Castro. Nag-aagawa ng bola. Paragas pinomba. Paragas. Yes sir. Passing count. May kasama pang foul. Foul by number 14. One bonus free shot to jersey number 14. Paragas. Jersey number 14, that's your first personal foul. Negative. Rebound naman by jersey number 34. Negative. Out of bounds. Phoenix ball. So number 1, De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Castro. Castro for being Castro. Guarded by jersey number 24, Di Piscarte. Number 14, Castro. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Nakuha na naman ito para Team Bautista. Sumagkasa. Negative. Paragas. Paragas. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 22. Jersey number 22. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 24. Season. Season for 2. Yes sir. Basket count to jersey number 24. Season. 24 down to 12. Time remaining 6 minutes and 9 seconds. Number 24. Out of balls. Phoenix ball. Time up. Secured by Phoenix. This game is brought to you by Porta Nilia Pangosquil. Kaya punta na kay Porta Nilia Pangosquil. Castro to number 21. Follow-up drop, yes sir. Passing count to jersey number 1, De La Cruz. Steal by jersey number 2, yes sir. Back-to-back point. So Sicho by Phoenix. Jersey number 0 to jersey number 19. Jersey number 19, pinaglalabang kay jersey number 0. 3 seconds violation.
Sisilaw, maniwawan sisilaw.
Phoenix ball. Jersey number 20, Castro. Castro sasagasa. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 0. That's your first foul.
Ating ito siguro.
First foul, first team foul. One bonus piece shot to jersey number 0, Castro. Negative. Out of bounds. Powerhouse ball. Zero to jersey number 3. Paragas. Gusto na naman nakuha ng bola. Pass to Pausto. Yes sir. That's the count to jersey number 28. Pausto. To number 3, Paragas. Guarded by Castro. Parragas, jersey number 28. Binova, 2-2. Negative. Rebound na naman by De La Cruz. De La Cruz na naman may hawak ng bola. Pass to Dizon. Dizon. Nakuha na naman ni Parragas. Parragas, Napakas. Out of ball. Phoenix ball. Time remaining 4 minutes and 48 seconds. 24 down to 20. Pauso. Pass to Dizon. Dizon, binalik kay Castro. Castro for 2. Negative. Rebound na naman kay Aquino. Nakuha ni Parragas. Parragas na marabay. Parragas. Parragas. Pass to jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 5. Shot. Dizon. Foul. Foul by jersey number 0. Sabet. Jersey number 0, that's her second personal foul, second team foul. (24) down to 20 in favor of Sitio Bukid. De La Cruz, hinahanap ang kasama, pass to Fausto, Fausto for 3, negative, rebound by jersey number 0. Rivera, pass to Parragas. Parragas na naman, pinasa kay jersey number 28. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 19. Jersey number 19 for 3. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 28. Out of ball. Phoenix ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 44 seconds. 24 down to 20 in favor of Sitio Bukid. De La Cruz, pass to Pauso. Pauso, sasagasa. Pauso, pass to Castro, Castro, napitawan, yes sir! That's it down to jersey number 20, Castro! 2-point lead by Sitio Bukid. Parragas, negative, rebound naman by Aquino, Aquino, pass to Dizon. Dizon, pass to Pausto, De La Cruz, ganda naman doon! Sitio Bukid powerhouse. Powerhouse ball. Parragas, pass to Bautista. Bautista, dribble the ball. To Dipera. Dipera, sasa-sasa, Dipera, block shot. Dengan dribbling violation. Cha-cha-cha, Dipera. Official score, Bedlock 24. De La Cruz. Pass to Pausto. Pausto to Dizon. Ganda naman yun. Sayang. Lipa by Bautista to Parragas. Parragas not solo. Yes sir. Balik na naman ang kalamangan sa Sitio Bukid powerhouse. Pausto. Derecho, Pausto for 2. Foul up. Nakuha naman Castro. Yes sir. Bedlock 26. Number 24, Galo Dizon. Pass to Dipera. Dipera. 4. Nakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 21, Dizon. That's your first personal foul. Number 7, Dipera. Guarded by Dizon. Back to Bautista. Bautista for 3. Negative. Rebound na naman. Nakuha na naman ni Aquino. Pass to De La Cruz. To Castro. Castro na naman may hawak ng bola. Castro nagkamadali. Aquino. Bang! Takbong mayaman, Aquino. Parragas si Dipera. Dipera papawe. Negative. Rebound by Parragas naman. Parragas. Guarded by Dizon. Parragas napitawan. Yes sir. Passes down to jersey number 23. Parragas. 1-point lead by Sitio by Phoenix. Rebound. Negative. Rebound by Bautista. Pinasa kay Tibera. Tibera na naman. Back to Bautista. 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 Yes, sir! Balik na naman ang kalamangan. Sitio Bukid Powerhouse. 1 point lead. Time remaining 1 minute and 2 seconds. Dizon sasagasan. Dizon. Never rebound by Tibera. Time remaining 51 seconds. Paragas. Negod. Rebound by Castro. Castro. Hawak na bola. Nagmamadali. Pass. Iskuta Tibera. Running violation. Cha-cha-cha Tibera. Sabit. Bagyo in. Also out. Dizon number 10 in. Bagyo. Pasok Castro. Yes sir! Balik na naman ang kalamangan sa Sitio Bebay. Bautista. Yes sir! Castro. 23 seconds. De La Cruz. Leonard rebound by number 24. 15 seconds. Nakuha pa. Foul by number 10. That's your first personal foul. Time remaining 14 seconds to end the shot. Ten seconds to shoot. Yes, sir. 5 seconds. That is the end of this period. 24 time to 21 in favor of your team.
Okay, bola.
Powerhouse ball. Bautista. Nakawala. Bautista. Robin violation. Cha-cha-cha Bautista. Number 00. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Sasagasa. Napitawan. Nakuha na naman ni Paragas ang bola. Paragas na mamadali. Paragas super layup. Nagkasama pang foul. Foul by jersey number 10. That's your second personal foul, first team foul. 2 bonus pieces shot to jersey number 23, Paragas. That's a foul to jersey number 23. Jersey number 2, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, Bagyo, pinasa naman, istira naman ni Bautista, nakamadali Bautista, pinasa kay Paragas, yes sir! Basket foul to jersey number 33, Aquino to De La Cruz to Castro for 2, Negod with Aquino, yes sir! Basket foul by jersey number 2, number 24, Cesar. Yes, sir. Passing category number 24, Cesar. Official score 40 down to 33. Castro, sasagasa. Nabitawan ng bola, out of bounds. Phoenix ball. Yan ang diwa ng sports machine. Sabit. Jersey number 10. Out. Or Cesar, guarded by Despo. To Bautista. Binalik na naman. Nakuha yung jersey number 0. To Tibera. Hinahanap ang kasama. 0. Nagkakagawa ng bola, nakuha na naman ni Aquino to Despo for 2. Never Negative, rebound by Castro. Castro Pinumba. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 17, Bautista. That's their first personal foul. First team foul. Ball is pushed out to jersey number 20. Negative. Another ball is pushed out to jersey number 20, Castro. Negative. Rebound na naman ni jersey number 0. Number 0 for Wade. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Back to Baguio. Baguio. Negative. Rebound by De Pera. De Pera. Galing by Jespo. De Pera. Nagmamadali. De Pera. Hinahanap ang kasama. Pass to jersey number 0. To Paragas. Paragas. Sasagasa. To Season. Season for 3. Negative. Rebound na naman by De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Baguio. Baguio sa pagkasa. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 24, Season. That's their first personal foul. Second team foul. 2 balls, pitch a shot to jersey number 0, Baguio. Basket foul to jersey number 0. Another ball, pitch a shot to jersey number 0, Baguio. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 24, Season. Season. Pass to Paragas. Paragas for 3. Negative. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz may hawak ng bola. De La Cruz. Nagpapadali. De La Cruz. Asang-kasa. Pinasa kay Baguio. Ganda naman doon. Pass to jersey number 00, Baguio. Number 24, Season. Out of balls. Phoenix ball. Time remaining 5 minutes and 23 seconds. 40 down to 36 in favor of Sitio Boquín Powerhouse. De La Cruz for 3. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 0. Still nakuha ang bola ni De La Cruz. De La Cruz, guarded by Bautista. De La Cruz to Despo. Despo for 2. Basket count to jersey number 16, Despo. 2 points lead by Sitio Boquín to jersey number 0, Rebo. Rebound by jersey number 2, pass to jersey number 1, De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Baguio. Baguio na naman! Rebound. Nakuha na naman ni Baguio ang bola. Baguio. Didiskarte. Baguio. 10 seconds to shoot. Baguio. Baguio ulit. Rebound by De Pera. De Pera to Paragas. Yes sir. Basket count to jersey number 23, Paragas. Bautista. Bautista to Paragas. Paragas sa play. Gotcha! Puso mula sa puso. Time up. Sitio by 5 minutes. Negative. Another ball speed to shot to jersey number 23, Paragas. Basket count to jersey number 22, Paragas. Baguio. Pass to Despo. Despo to De La Cruz. De La Cruz for 3. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 24, Season. Season guarded by Castro. Season nakawala. Pass to Paragas. Paragas for 3. Bang! Takbol mayaman, Paragas. Number 16, Despo. Pass to Castro. Castro sasagasa. Pinasa kay Tison. Tison for 2. Negative. Rebound na naman kay Season. Season. Still nakuha. Nag-aagawa ng bola. Jersey number 24, Season. That's her second personal foul. 30 team foul.
Nanti umang pandang man.
To Dizon. Pass to Baguio. Baguio ang didiskarte. Baguio for 3. Negative. Follow jump. Binomba. Castro to Dizon. Dizon. Pesco. Rebound by Season. Pass to Paragas. Paragas na naman. Paragas. That count. Foul by jersey number 0. That's your first personal foul. Sabret. 13 foul. Rivera. Pass to Paragas. Paragas from Pink. Paragas. Pinasa na naman kay Rivera. Rivera. Sasagasa. Yes, sir. Passing down to jersey number 7. Rivera. De La Cruz ripping the ball. Running by Paragas. De La Cruz. Sasagasa. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 24. Season. Jersey number 24. That's your third personal foul. Nakuha na naman ang bola ni Paragas. Paragas. Binongga ni Season. Season na naman. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul by number 16. Pesco. Jersey number 16. That's your fourth personal foul. Yes, sir. Pass it count to jersey number 24. Another ball is with the shot to jersey number 24. Season. Never rebound by Rivera. Rivera. Yes, sir. Back to back. Easy points. 51 down to 38. Time remaining 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Baguio. Number 2. Pinasa kay Despo. 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 Binomba. No good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Season. Season down to Castro. Pinasa naman kay Paragas. Paragas. Perfect. Ganda naman doon. Foul by number 21. Jersey number 21, that's your first personal foul. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Dizon. Dizon na may hawak ng bola. Pinasa kay Despo. Despo to Castro. Castro. Dinali ka naman kay Despo. To Baguio. Baguio for 3. No good. Rebound by Rivera. Rivera. Pass to Season. Season. Didiskarte. Nabitawan. Ang ball. Spirits ball. Baguio. Baguio. Sasagasa. Pinasa kay Despo. Despo for 2. Negative. Rebound by Baguio. Baguio. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 17. 22 rather. Jersey number 22, Paragas. Sabret. Warning for penalty. Baguio to posto. De La Cruz for 2. Negative. Out of bounds. Powerhouse ball. 53 down to 38. Time remaining 1 minute and 8 seconds. Still by jersey number 21. Pinasa na naman. Dizon. Yes, sir. Using the glass. Pass it down to jersey number 21. Dizon. Out of ball. Phoenix ball. Time remaining 46.60 seconds. to end the third period. De La Cruz, yes sir, doesn't count the jersey number 1, De La Cruz. Number 24, Cecil. Nugget, Viva Baguio. 25 seconds. Castro for 2. Nugget, Viva Pera. 18 seconds to end the third period. Passes down to jersey number 24. 13 seconds to end the third period. 10 seconds to end the third period. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the third period. 55 down to 32 in favor